What's the meaning of Captain Oates? Captain Oates. Captain Oates.
Captain Oates. Captain Oates. Captain Oates refers to Lawrence Oates, a British Army officer who took part in Robert Scott's expedition to the South Pole in 1911 to 1912. During the expedition, Oates developed severe frostbite on his toes, which slowed down the team's progress. In an act of selflessness, Oates decided to sacrifice himself and left the tent to die in order to give his teammates a better chance of survival. His iconic last words, "I am just going outside, and maybe some time," have become a symbol of self-sacrifice and courage in the face of extreme adversity.